Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, check out the Umai crates there, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And there we go. Things are working right. Right. So here's what I got. This is by, it's funny, I've only reviewed one, maybe two products from this company, but I've been so up in the grill of the instant noodle for so long. I was like, oh wait, what is this brand? I'm not sure. No, wait, that looks like Higashimaru. I look everywhere and I can't find anything. And I just type into Google, I'm like Higashimaru logo, and bam! Higashimaru. So, this is Higashimaru Kagoshima, what is it? Kagoshima Spicy Tonkotsu Ramen. So, there you go. And, yeah. Those Umai crates, they're snazzy. Oh god, I just put the lid for my drink in the trash. Cool. I rescued it before it, went down into anything gross. So you got 400 mils of water. It says 2.5 to 3 minutes. I'll just do 3 because we have something special lined up for today for you. Oh boy, do we ever. 1 seasoning sachet and a block of noodles. Pretty standard looking stuff here. And yeah, 3 minutes. So it's that time again at the local grocery store. It's Monopoly ticket time. You can win stuff you don't want. So I'm going to see if we can win some stuff we don't want, or perhaps something we do, or maybe we'll be an instant winner of $1 million. That'd be fancy. I don't really expect it, but you never know. What did we get? What do we have? 50 cents off 1 6-pack, 7 point. No. So there's one. Last time at the very end, they were handing out boxes of it. And by a box, I mean boom, boom, boom of winning, or not winning, possibly winning tickets. This is... They've got all these different versions of this game. There's a game board, and then there's the instant win thing. And then there's the, what do you call it? The digital game, which I haven't delved into that. What's this one? 50 cents off some soup mix I wouldn't eat. I'd rather have what I'm making today. And even so, because I'm definitely on a diet, it will go down the drain as well once I prepare it. This is the digital game again. We're down to 1 minute and 15 seconds. It's going to start getting crazy because I have a small stack of them right now. But it's going to end up, what do we got? 50 cents off 120-ounce squeeze bottle of mayonnaise. I still love mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is delightful stuff. I've heard more than once that it was invented to cover up the flavor of rotted vegetables. So now you know. Instant winner! A loaf of fresh French bread! You know, that might work because this Friday is Valentine's Day and I can make some French toast with that. Yeah. Problem is, digital. But problem is that you need cinnamon, and I'm pretty sure a little jar of cinnamon is like what, $10 now, right? I don't remember. We got the sugar. 50 cents one off a bag of gummy bears. Kit likes gummy bears. Look, Valentine's Day is coming together. We're pretty broke right now, so we're hoping the tax return comes back. I was like, digital. Okay, so we got some more for next time. Alright. So our noodles are cooked. I'll let you have a gander at that. Hopefully we don't fog you up too bad. And yeah. And here's our sachet of seasoning. I'm curious how this will turn it into tonkotsu. Also, I should mention this is animal-free tonkotsu. We'll see how that goes. It says no animals. Spicy tonkotsu with no animal. Personally, I feel bad for the animals, but there are certain things that it's just like you gotta put the animal in, you know? What are you gonna do? Tonkotsu means like pork soup. It means something around those lines. Okay. Well, I'll be putting animal in it, you better believe it. So, yeah. Let's give this a try. Okay. Noodles I like. It said 2.5 to 3 minutes, depending on how chewy you want your noodles. That was 3 minutes, and they're still quite chewy. So, the broth, kind of a dark, milky thing going on. It's spicy. Yeah. It's alright. I like it. If I wasn't on a diet, I would eat that right now in a heartbeat. But I am. I just got back from walking how many miles? I don't know. I got 23,000 steps so far today. So I want to end up around 30,000, which is 14 to 15 miles, somewhere around there. Probably more like 14 miles. Okay. Whoa, what was that? Oh, notification. Okay. The phone is notifying me of things. And, it's not chashu, but it is barbecue pork. From the store. They basically just get a ton of it and then they cut it up, you know. It's not what you would go like, hey, that's fresh in-store made stuff. It's the Yangtze brand. You probably know what I'm talking about. Sesame seeds, hot mustard, and that sauce that I always thought was like some really fancy Chinese sauce that was so good with the pork, but it's what we call ketchup. Still gets me that I was so uninformed back then when I was a kid. Like, knowing is not half of the battle, but it's all of it. Gotta know things, God. Good. The last of the eggs that need to be used up. Need to make new eggs tomorrow. And then we got some sprung onion. Ooh, I know. Ooh. So this came in an umai crate as well. Ooh, says Mimi. Ooh, says Papa. I got these. The little flower thingies. I could give you one if you want to try it. I don't know if you like it. Can't remember what they're made of, but I'll try one. See, this is kind of a ramen thing. Yeah. It's like a cracker. I'll put one like right there. I think it needs to soak in the broth. I think that's kind of a prerequisite. I'll do it like that. And of course, some seeds I think are in due order. And it's spicy already, but there's one thing that makes the whole world work correctly. And it's this Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. I'm going to put some right there. Oh my god. Yep. There goes the entire walk, folks. Just that tiny little lick of the spoon. That stuff's pretty bad for you. God, it's so good. I already had one happy person now that they've tried on my recommendation the Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. Talking about Mr. First Name, Last Name. Let's rotate. Alright. Yeah. Well, cool. Yeah, this is a good one. I'd eat it right now. And, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Hey, does anybody have a pair of headphones they want to donate? I really could use a new pair of headphones for when I do video editing. Let me know. Maybe somebody already has. Alright, cool. Thanks. Bye.